should have asked Tayo for help instead of trying to act cool. I'm getting sleep here and sleep here.
Shine, wake up! Shine!
Ano ginagawa mo? Drink ka? Drink?
Shine, are you okay?
Oh, mali, mali. Dito. Mm.
Don't worry. Stop you understand.
Oh, thank you.
Shouldn't thank me.
Ayan, tumulo. Lagot ka.
Kyle's the one who brought me all the way here.
Yay! Very good. Mm.
Tayo?
Oh, drink na, drink.
I could have done it myself, you know.
Really? You want to go back in then?
No, I don't mean that.
We should get going now. Okay.
Tingnan mo muna ginagawa ni Rohan.
Hey, Sean, it seems like we ran into each other really often today.
Ate, tingnan mo si Rohan. Dali.
Really? I didn't know.
Ano mo ginagawa? O, sige na, drink ka na, drink. Drink na. Drink. O, dali, drink muna. Dali. O, ito na tayo. Tignan mo, dali, o.
What?
Alam mo, ah.
Only because you asked me to be your friend, okay?
O, inom na, inom.
Whatever you say.
Mm. Ang galing. O, sige.